What's up, y'all? So it's another day. Gonna do a little towing today. Got a little trip out of town we gotta make, so we got the truck and trailer loaded up. I only came to the shop to get the GoPro so I could film this for y'all, because I could have went straight and picked the car up. So we're actually towing two Impalas actually. So one is a customer who's been waiting on me 2 years. Like, he has said it, and I was like, you exaggerating. You won't wait no 2 years. And I went back to the Instagram messages, and yeah, the first time he messaged me was in November of 2020. And I was at, I remember I was at Classic when he messaged me. And then like every couple months he'd message me, and I'd just be busy. And he finally caught me when I was, didn't have a whole lot going on. Not a whole lot going on, but I was available to take cars. So we worked something out. His car is in Madison, Alabama, which is right outside of Huntsville. I have a buddy of mine who has a shop out there. You guys probably seen him on Instagram. He's doing a giveaway right now. His page is Rolling Museums, and his page and stuff on here. But he bought a 96 Impala out this way, and so his shop's in Huntsville. So when I knew I was going to Huntsville, I always hit him up like, hey, you need anything brought out that way? And he's like, yeah, I actually just bought an Impala. So we're on our way to Lithonia right now to go pick it up. I'm gonna come back to the shop, do some work, and then we're gonna leave out in the morning. I just wanted to, since it's the opposite direction of where I wanna go, because Huntsville's north of me and I live north of Atlanta, when I leave out in the morning, I'm just gonna hit the freeway, go north, so I avoid pretty much most of the traffic until I hit Chattanooga. All right, man, well, we here at the pickup. Look like it's a whole bunch of other cars over there. I just seen this Benz. I got one of these. I need some of these wheels. Yeah, monoblocks. But yeah, let's get this thing loaded up. All right, got him, load him up. Beautiful, clean stock car. And there's a little added bonus in this car. Let me see if you can guess what it is. Looking at the gauges. If you know, you know. But if you didn't guess, this is a Canadian Impala. So it has the temp gauges in Celsius, not Fahrenheit, which is pretty cool. It's actually my first time seeing one of those. So let's go get us something to eat. And then there's a Jamaican spot on this side of town I like to go to. So we're gonna head over there, and then then we head to the shop. All right, y'all, so it's the day of. Got the car loaded up. Well, I never really took it off. We got about a 3-hour route to Huntsville to drop this car off. We confirmed with the other customer the pickup. He sent his deposit, so we should be getting there around 1. All right, well, we are here at the one and only Rolling Museums. Had a little minor mishap on the road. I was just trying to get out the middle of the road instead of filming it, but one of the straps had broke off when I was like 10 minutes away. So this front strap here had broke, so I had stopped, put another one on it. There it is. Look at that. Yeah, she's toast. So this is the giveaway Impala right here. He's got some cars. We'll do a little tour inside and stuff, but let me get this thing unloaded, and we'll get on with it. This where we at. Yeah, I gotta get you, Mr. Rolling Museums himself. I mean, as you can see, and these the giveaway cars right here, and that Impala, not that one, that one.
Yeah, definitely not.
He's two. He's got two. Yeah. So 454 truck. Look at this though.
That's awesome.
Man.
Whenever you're ready, brother. Whenever you're ready, we can arrange that. You know, anything for you. Anything for you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on line. Now, I bought this car to keep. It's a. I'm a really big fan of light antelope. It's what they call this color, light antelope.
I get this just to go to church.
With the triple light antelope. See, most of them they come with gray right here, but this has got the painted sides.
So you really got to know about them to really even know that, because it just look like the same.
Yeah, nah.
El Dorado I've been seeing.
You want that triple antelope, B?
Triple antelope.
Yeah,
Wow.
I got another one too. It's white with red goods. It's got 40,000 miles went on there.
That's the one.
That's that red velvet.
Ooh. Oh, got the pillow top seats.
And you only get that under the elegance trim package.
See?
Pillow tops with the buttons. It's a major key for your Cadillac guys. 5.7 the elegance. 98,000 miles. Light antelope.
Look at this. Ain't a blemish on it.
Should be relatively new.
Oh. This car is basically free. Just come get it. Oh yeah. T-top. Somebody gonna kill the summer with this. That's an Aero coupe. I've always been afraid of these things just because it is back glass. Hell yeah. Bruh, so you are in for a rare treat. So while we're out here dropping the car off, had lunch, this dude finds a car on Marketplace, an Impala of course, and now we might go buy it. So that's, you get to see Rolling Museums in action.
Well, I'm only going to buy it because I have OTGMechanic.
That's fair.
So if anybody's going to look at Impala with me,
That's fair.
use resources that you got.
That's fair. That's fair. Now, y'all hit me up to do this. I do charge. There's a fee associated.
What?
Well, not for Ed, but, you know, for everybody else. You know, I got to charge. You know, I've done it too. I've had people hit me up, come out there, look at the car, whatever. I told people not to buy it. They bought it. I was like, if you buy it, don't bring it to me.
Is it the usual 1,500?
The what?
The usual 1,500 that you charge?
Yeah, it depends on, you know, location, time of day. You know, if I got my kids with me, I gotta feed them. It's extra, so it's a lot. So we out here in these backwoods. Well, not really, because the street is paved quite nicely. So when we get there, we'll see what we're looking at. And really wasn't expecting this random, so should be good. Oh, 15 minutes.
Great new car. It's got a few little odds and ends stuff on these. You know,
Oh, I know every.
where they sit up in the sun.
There's nothing you could tell me about this car I don't know.
Oh yeah, I can imagine. I can imagine.
Yeah, yours 95.
Yeah, mine's a 95. I've had them all.
I've had a 96 and a 95. The 95, other 95 I had a twin turbo set up on it.
Cap.
Not the grill, but it's broke. It's in the back of it.
Yeah.
The trunk.
Okay, the little bar came off. All right. So we out here checking this thing out, man. It's a 95. You said 117,000 miles? Door panels are in good condition. Dash is cracked. That's a no-no. Mirror's gone. Seats need a little work. Needs a headliner.
That's how you look real small.
Mm.
I drove yesterday to Cater twice.
The dash is cracked too.
Yeah.
Down by the ashtray.
Yeah, I saw it.
Yeah.
That's a hard piece to find, ain't it?
Yeah, because you got to replace the whole, that's that lower dash, that holy grail. Those are two things I always look at, driver door panel and this piece here. This isn't too bad,
Oh, I got that piece in there.
but this right here, you got to replace the whole thing.
Oh
Yeah, she's got potential, but she definitely needs some work.
I think I'm gonna pass on this one.
yeah. You good, bro?
She was rough. Needed paint. Lower dash was no good. Yeah, she was a lot rougher.
She been roll hard and put up wet, baby.
So yeah, for the price that he was asking, nah, that's like a $2,500, $2,000 car, you know, because you're gonna have to put another
Everything on it.
everything, you know. That lower dash, as you guys know, is holy grail. You know, I've seen people buy cars solely off the fact that the lower dash was good. because it's like everything else is pretty much fixable. So I'm about to head back to the truck. I'm gonna load up, go pick up the other car, and then head home. All right, man, so we done pulled up, talked to my mans here about it. It's a beautiful car, man. How many miles on it again?
Like 74,000.
74,000. So pretty much all original. It's got something different I ain't never seen before though, and it's another Canadian car. So we got the little, somebody custom did the, you know, little rear deck speaker. That's pretty cool. 74,000 Canadian car. So I told y'all that other one I saw was the first time I ever seen one. I get two in the same weekend. Well, not weekend, but 24 hours. I get two Canadian cars. That's nuts. There's that ABS delete everybody asking me about. I heard y'all. I will be making a video on the ABS delete when the time comes. I heard y'all. So I will be doing a step-by-step video on that. So we got a couple things we need to do on this one. It'll definitely be on the channel. We out here in, what is Madison, you said? Madison? So we in Madison, Alabama, picking this up. My boy Ed, he's in Harvest. So we're gonna get this thing to the shop. We're gonna put a transmission in it, get it running right, get the heat right, get the AC right, and then we're gonna touch the sounds and everything like that. So, and how long you been waiting, man? How long you been waiting for me?
2 years, man.
That's no cap. 2 years. I thought he was joking, and then when I went back to the message, I was actually at Orlando Classic in 2020 when he messaged me. So that was November 2020. So 2 years, man. So y'all be complaining like, hey man, I'm trying to get my car to you. I'm sorry, I'm one man. I promise I'm gonna get to you. He waited 2 years, so guess what? I'm gonna take care of him. He had me out here waiting 15 minutes for him to pull up. I'm not tripping. I'm like, bro, you waited 2 years for me. I could wait 15 minutes. So, man, we're going to get this thing right. So, I'm going to get him loaded up on the trailer. We're going to get back to Atlanta. We're going to pull this in the shop, and we're going to get to work on it. And y'all going to see the progression with this. But, yeah, my ABS delete is a little different than that. But, you know, give you guys kind of an idea how much room it opens up for you. So, hopefully the next time you see this dude, he'll be driving it home.
Yes, sir.
So, I'll catch y'all back at the shop, man. All right, cool. All right, man, we loaded up. Had a real good talk with my man's there. We got his Canadian 96. I can't believe it. 2 Canadian 96s in 24 hours. First time I ever seen a Canadian 96, and I see 2 of them in 24 hours. That's amazing. And like I said, it's DCM day. So I'm gonna go top the gas off, and then we're gonna hit the road, man. We got 3.5 hours to the house. And yeah, let's get to it. All right, y'all, well, we have made it back to the shop. We are here safely with the new well, not new, but the 96 DCM we just picked up. Good day today, you know, like I said, DCM day. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I actually forgot to make an outro. I was gonna make it when I picked the car up, but I forgot. So I was like, you know what, I'll just make it when I get to the shop. Check out my boy Roland Museums. He's got a giveaway, tickets as cheap as $1. And you get the chance to choose between 3 options: Monte Carlo Aero Coupe, 96 Impala, or 454 SS short bed truck. So go ahead, enter, and you know, check out his page. He's got some awesome cars. And that's it, y'all. So I will see y'all in the next video.